Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable ServiceNow email integration with AI categorization step by step clearly. To enable ServiceNow email integration with AI categorization, start by logging into your ServiceNow instance. Navigate to the Application Navigator. In the search bar, type Email Integration. Select the Email Properties option from the list. Ensure that the Email Integration option is turned on. Next, go to the Notifications module within the Application Navigator. Click on Email Notifications. Create a new notification by clicking on the New button. Fill in the fields for the notification settings. Set the condition for when the notification should trigger. Now, configure the email template to include relevant information. Save your changes to the notification settings. Next, enable the AI categorization feature. Type AI Model Management in the Application Navigator and select it. Click on Models. Ensure that the AI categorization model is activated. Return to your notification settings and locate the AI categorization option. Enable AI categorization for incoming emails. Update the notification settings accordingly. Once done, navigate back to the email properties. Make sure to validate the email server settings. Test the integration by sending a sample email to your ServiceNow instance. Go back to the Notifications module to check if the email trigger works correctly. Review the categorization results to confirm AI functionality. Make any necessary adjustments based on your findings. To finalize, document the process for future reference. Your ServiceNow email integration with AI categorization is now set up and fully functional. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.